Hello everyone. So today I will explain watertight integrity report. Watertight integrity refers to the ability of a ship structure to prevent water from passing to its hull, decks, bulkheads, or other boundaries. It ensures that the vessel remains buoyant and stable even if one or more compartments are flooded. How it works. A ship is divided into separate compartments by watertight bulkheads and decks. These divisions these divisions are designed and constructed to withstand specific water pressure. If the hull is breached, only the damaged compartment fills with water while the rest of the ship remains dry and afloat. Importance of maintaining watertight integrity. Buoyancy and flotation. The primary purpose is to keep the ship afloat. If water enters freely in the first fills multiple compartments, the ship's weight increases beyond its buoyancy force, leading to sinking. Proper integrity ensures that the ship can survive damage up to a certain standard. Stability. Uncontrolled water uncontrolled water movement inside the ship drastically reduces stability. It can cause the vessel to list or even capsize. Keeping compartments sealed prevents water from sloshing around. Progress, prog, Progressive flooding. If watertight doors or hatches are left open or are not sealed correctly, water will flow from a damaged compartment into adjacent ones. This is called aggressive flooding. Maintaining integrity stops this chain reaction, limiting flooding to the damaged area only. Safety of life and property. In the event of a collision, grounding, or structural failure, watertight integrity buys time for the crew to react, repair the damage, or abandon ship safely. How it maintained. Closing mechanisms ensuring all watertight doors, hatch, scuppers, and valves are correctly closed and secured, especially during bad weather or when not in use. Training crew members must understand the opening a watertight door and leaving it compromises the entire ship safely. So that's all. Thank you.